Hi, you guys. I just got back from schlepping a bunch of mulch with my sweetheart. Oh, and Talia wants to be very involved in this video. But I just wanted to share a funny experience and see if you'd ever had a related photography experience. So have you ever, she's very involved here. Okay, I guess it's dinner time. But have you ever been out and about and you see a scene and you recognize that it's a great photograph? It'd be a great photograph. There's something about it, you know, it's got wonderful elements, great balance, just visually really appealing, but it is not the kind of photograph that you take. Like, it's not your photograph. It's not your style. It's not your aesthetic. It's not what you usually shoot. It's not the look you normally go for. But it's a great photograph, and you can't really deny that. So you're looking at the scene. It's like, this scene looks like the kind of photograph that some other photographer would take, not me. But they're not here right now. They're not here right now. So I'll just take the photograph, you know, for them. So that happened to me today. We were out getting this bark mulch for the garden, and the place had a little trailer, and we walked into this trailer, and it was like a time capsule in there. Like nothing had been changed since the 1960s. Old photographs on the walls, or possibly posters, but were framed. They looked like old photographs, but the sizing was, I don't know, bigger than an old photograph might have been. Legitimately might have been. But so what looked like old photographs on the walls, wood paneling, just fantastic little time capsule. There's this photograph on the wall of old growth forest and a logger nailed onto this wood paneling. Such a cool scene with a old dirty door and a wire going across the top. And I just thought, yeah, this isn't my photograph, but it's so great. You can't not take it, you know? So, yeah. So I'm going to share the photograph, and let me know. I'd love to hear if you've ever had this weird train of thought. Like, the photographer who's supposed to take this photograph is not here. So I'll just take it for them, you know? So I'm going to share the photograph. Let me know if it's actually your photograph. And I took it for you. Anyway, this made me laugh today. I thought I would share. Okay, hope you're doing well. Bye.